Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Kimberly Hilton and today I'm making a travel brush. So I don't have a flat travel brush, and I realized the last time I was painting that it would be nice to have. So instead of ordering one, I'm just going to make one. So I have this kind of cheap Master's Touch 1/2 inch flat brush. And I'm just going to cut it to the size that I want it to be, and then I'm going to sharpen the end so I have a scratching tool as well. But these are my little travel brushes that I like to use. I got these on Amazon. They're about $20 for this set, and I want this flat brush to fit inside this little case with those little brushes. So I'm just gonna fold it over and just kind of take a little rough estimate right there. So about right there is where I'm going to cut. Now I do suggest that you wear safety glasses when you're doing any type of cutting. So I'm just gonna put my safety glasses on, and I'm gonna take these, I think these are wire cutters, and I'm not gonna cut. Let's see, I'll see. Okay, now hold this away from you because this might pop, but just put a little bit of pressure on it and work it and see. So now I have this cut, and I'm going to take and I'm going to just use my pencil sharpener and just sharpen it. And you could also take some sandpaper and smooth it down if you need to, once you get it as sharp as you want it. So that's just about the way I want it. And then I may just take some sandpaper or emery board and just smooth that out a little bit. Now let's see if it fits like this. Yep, so it fits in there. But I want to see if I wanted to extend the handle, if I could use one of these. That one's too big. Let's see if this one. Okay, so that little handle will work if I wanted to paint with a larger handle to where I can grip further away. Of course, I won't have a cap to put on this, but I may try to think of a little something that I can put on top of that. So now I'm just going to put these back in there. Little caps, and stick them back in here and stick that in there. And now I have a little flat travel brush that will fit in this little pouch. So this is a little set that I got on Amazon. They were around $20. I'm not sponsored by this, but I just bought this little set. It says it's Kolinsky sable. I don't know if it is or not. It is some kind of natural hair, and they perform really well. I was really pleased. That was a wet, and it's still wet when I put it up, so the hairs are a little. But as cheap as this set is, I don't have to be precious with my brushes, which I like when I'm painting outdoors, because some of the brushes can be very expensive, and I don't really want to risk dropping one and losing one, because I drop brushes all the time. But I hope you enjoyed this little video. I'll leave a description to these brushes in the description area of this video, in case you want to pick some up. I won't get any money if you go to this link. I just like these brushes, and if you try them out and you like them, let me know what you think. So have a great day and happy painting.